Welcome back, pioneers. Last week, we drew a mountain map. We learned to think from the peak down. But here's the brutal truth of premier publishing. Most editors will never see your mountain. They will only see your foothills. They are inundated, overwhelmed, and making snap judgments. Your masterpiece has 7 seconds to prove it's not just another rock. Your abstract is not an introduction. It is a weapon. A 250-word weapon of precision, persuasion, and power. And today, you will learn to forge it. Think of the editor not as a climber, but as a scout in a helicopter, flying over a range of 100 possible peaks. Your abstract is the flare you fire into the sky. Is it a dim, sputtering spark lost in the fog? Or is it a brilliant, phosphorescent streak that screams, "Here"? The answer is here. Let's dismantle the weak abstract, the one that dies in silence. It starts with a vague, broad background. The role of oxidative stress in cellular senescence is an area of increasing scientific interest. The editor's finger is already hovering over the reject button. It then becomes a table of contents. We investigated, we analyzed, we observed. It's a dry logbook, not a revelation. It ends with a meek, "This could have implications." It is a flicker. It dies on the wind. The weaponized abstract is different. It is built on a military-grade structure we call the persuasion cascade. 4 sentences, 4 steps to an undeniable yes. Sentence 1, the hook and the gap. This is not background. This is a targeted strike. You must fuse the known world with the critical unknown in a single, compelling line. Formula. Broad, important context is well established, but the critical mechanism role of your specific focus in the important outcome remains elusive, controversial, a major bottleneck. Example: while graphene's conductivity is revolutionary, its practical application in flexible electronics has been fatally limited by its environmental instability. See? You haven't just stated a field, you've planted a flag on a specific, urgent problem. The editor leans in. Sentence 2, the mission and the method. Now, you state your decisive action. Not "we investigated," but "we solved." Formula. Here, we demonstrate, establish, prove that your core finding by your key methodological approach. Example: here, we demonstrate a novel covalent stabilization layer that eliminates degradation by employing a plasma-enhanced atomic deposition process. You have married the what with the how. You've shown this isn't just observation, it's engineered intervention. You've established credibility in one breath. Sentence 3, the evidence punch. This is where you pack your proof. Don't list all results. Show the 2 or 3 most devastating pieces of evidence that directly support sentence 2. Formula. This resulted in quantitative result 1 and led to game-changing outcome 2. Example: this resulted in a 10,000-hour stability under operational conditions, a 100-fold improvement, and allowed for the creation of the first fully flexible, high-performance transistor array. Specific, quantitative, and outcome-oriented. The helicopter scout is now descending. Sentence 4, the new horizon. You do not say, "could have implications." You declare the new world your discovery creates. Formula. This work establishes your work as a new paradigm solution, paving the way for transformative application. Example: this work establishes covalent passivated graphene as a viable cornerstone for next-generation wearable bioelectronics, paving the way for real-time health monitoring integrated directly into clothing. You have moved from solving a problem to redrawing the map of the possible. The editor is landing the helicopter. They are reaching for the Send to Review button. Your assignment this week is surgical. Take your current abstract or draft one for your mountain map. Now, ruthlessly reformat it into these 4 sentences. 1 sentence per box. If an idea doesn't fit, cut it. This is the crucible. This exercise will expose fluff, clarify your core, and forge your 250-word weapon. Remember, your abstract is not a summary. It is a trailer for a blockbuster. It shows only the most dramatic explosions, the most compelling dialogue, the stunning climax. Its sole purpose is to make the editor absolutely have to see the full film. You now have the map and the flare gun. But what gives your discovery its undeniable authority? What is the actual language of proof? How do you structure the argument so a skeptical reviewer has no room to push back? That is the battleground of our next lecture. In Lecture 3, we dive into the engine room, the results section that doesn't just report, it persuades. We will learn how to transform data from passive figures into an active, narrative-driven prosecution of your thesis.